curious about adverbs? These small yet powerful words can modify verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. Let me share some interesting facts about them with you. Firstly, many adverbs are formed by simply adding ly to an adjective. For example, quick becomes quickly. However, not all adverbs follow this pattern. Words like fast, hard, and near are exceptions to the rule. Additionally, adverbs can appear in various positions in a sentence depending on the intended meaning and emphasis. They come after the like in she sings beautifully or even at the beginning of a sentence for emphasis as in beautifully she sings the genre. That adverbs can also be phrases in a hurry and on the other hand are examples of adverbial phrases that enhance the meaning of a sentence. Adverbs have different categories too. Adverbs of manner like skillfully and carefully describe how something is done. Adverbs of time such as yesterday and soon indicate when something happened. Adverbs of place like here and abroad show a specific location. Adverbs of frequency such as often and rarely describe how frequently something occurs. And adverbs of degree like very and extremely indicate the intensity of or extent of characteristics. Moreover, adverbs can introduce clauses like because or although. These adverbial clauses provide additional information and create a stronger connection between ideas. Lastly, it's fascinating to note that adverbs usage and vary across languages due to differences in grammatical structures and cultural nuances. I hope these facts have piqued your interest and provided you with a deeper understanding of adverbs. If you have any specific questions or if you would like more information on particular aspect, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.